What in the surprise?
This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following county, Virginia, City of Fairfax. Warning in effect until 2:30 this afternoon. Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. The areas affected include a portion of northern Virginia, portions of Fairfax County, including Fairfax City. The hazardous weather conditions are expected.
My county monitor failed. Probably know why.
11:24 a.m. Doppler radar indicated heavy rain.
Oh my lord, shut up.
Are expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Centerville, Reston, Annandale, Fairfax, Vienna, Mantua, Punic Hills, Oakton, Chantilly, Tyson's Corner,
Excuse me?
Maryfield, I-66 and I-495 interstate.
Are they just that synced?
Please visit www.weather.gov/safety/flood for flood safety and preparedness information year-round. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads.
Oh my goodness.
This is the Hill Weather Radio, all hazards, station WH3736, broad National Weather Service Office in Sterling, Virginia.
Nope, they're just that synchronized.
162.550 megahertz from an antenna located in Manassas, Virginia. This is a...
They were just that synchronized. Wow, that's crazy. First flood warning in a long time. Whew. Another note is that they were completely synchronized. Like, completely synchronized. So I thought I was on the wrong stations. I thought I was on the same station for all my radios there for a second. So, that's cool.